Again, welcome sa aking munting channel, ang PH Gods TV. Hello guys, good morning, good evening sa inyo. Today, I will show you the new combo sa Hamster Combat guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ang bagong combo natin guys. Ang unang combo natin ay, saan na yan? Prediction Market guys, yan. Prediction Market, yan. Prediction Market. Ang sunod natin, the next is Security Team. Yeah, Security Team. Second combo, Security Team. Okay, una, Prediction Markets. Next one, Security Team. The third one is the new guys, itong License of Vietnam. Yan, License of Vietnam guys. Hindi lang natin ma-unlock yung License of Vietnam kasi kulang pa tayo ng isang friend. Pero ito ang sunod yan, License of Vietnam. And then, ma-unlock mo na yung combo mo. License of Vietnam dito. Prediction Market, Security Team, at License of Vietnam. Bali, ang date ngayon ay June 23. June 23 guys. Playing tayo ng Hamster Combat. Okay. Para makapaglaro nito guys, andyan lang sa pin ko, sa comment ko dyan sa YouTube. Bali yun lang guys. Bye bye.